Alright, this is me running off of a PAR R272 video card. Come from the back into the computer to the monitor. PAR R2702 video card. Of course, my refresh things. Turn my volume, see if I can fix it. Well, the lines aren't there. It's just a waste. I mean, I do get some glitches for some reason. Like right there, there's a glitch. I don't know if it's the monitor or the card or there's an interference with. But this is a 1988 NEC Multisync 2 TTL monitor that I got for $20. And I had the card. I paid $50 for the card from eBay like a year ago or 6 months ago. I can't remember. But that's what it's doing. Bye.